Hi, it's Nate, Nikon Metrology, CMM-Manager team, Columbus, Ohio. Another 5-minute demo today, doing actually update on a previous tutorial video with mirroring programs. So previous version 3.9, we've added a ability in the mirroring routine to not only mirror the main program Yaxis system, but also we've added what we're calling an unmirrored CAD axis. So this new addition to the mirroring routine that we've added will make mirroring parts that are in car coordinate systems and other similar assembly type coordinate systems where you've got left and right hand parts a lot easier. So we'll go ahead and get started. Save a program that I've created here. You can see I've got a part that's located on a fixture, and if we look through like a top view, you'll also notice that this part is in this traditional kind of in-car coordinate system type scenario. So the front to back, or up and down in our current view direction, is actually cross car. So you can see the fixture in regards to that cross car axis, as well as the part, is actually tilted slightly. So in any case, let's go ahead and save this. And then we'll also save a copy of what we're doing here. So we're going to mirror this copied program that I've just created. So with my cursor somewhere at my alignment or below, a lot of times you just put the cursor at the bottom of the program. I will choose from the program ribbon tab in program management mirror. So in this mirror routine, if you're working with a more traditional mirroring scenario where you're mirroring about a coordinate system local to the part, then you can use one of the 3 work plane options. In this case, because it's a 3D or a kind of non-conventional in-car coordinate system type scenario, I'll actually pick a feature from my program that I'll use. So that's going to be the mirroring axis. When we look at that plane, everything's going to be flipped over top of that, including tip angle changes and so on. But probably more importantly, you've got a new option now, starting in 3.9, mirror CAD, and then this unmirrored CAD axis. So in all automotive scenarios, that unmirrored CAD axis is going to be the y-axis. Basically, if you look on your drawing and see which axis is flipped as far as basic dimensions from a left hand to a right hand part, that should be your axis that you're going after. So you can see here in the top view, we're going to be mirroring left to right, but in the CAD axis system, we're going to be mirroring along this axis. So here on the YZ CAD work plane. So at this point, I can simply click mirror program. We're mirroring the entire program. Gives me a summary of the different tip angles that'll be used in the mirrored program. And just like that, we're done. If you made some mistake in these selections, you can always restore to go back to your previous orientation. If you're happy with the mirroring process, you can click confirm. So we'll resave this project now that it's mirrored and it's ready to run. I'll post in the CMM-Manager forum an updated video as well as some screenshots that actually show side-by-side comparisons of the mirrored and unmirrored program, as well as a mirrored and unmirrored report. So thank you again